Do you ever wonder why your small business doesn't appear in local search results? The struggle is real. From understanding complex algorithms to finding time for consistent updates, local SEO can feel like an uphill battle. But remember, SEO isn't just about getting on Google's good side, it's about reaching the people who matter most to your business. So, how can you boost your local SEO and reach your target audience? One key strategy is setting up a Google My Business listing. This puts your business on the map, literally. Another tip? Optimize for mobile. More people are searching on the go, so make sure your site looks good on a smartphone. Don't forget to use local keywords and gather reviews. These strategies can help your business stand out in local search results. But remember, effective SEO takes time and patience. It's not an overnight process. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we're here to help. Authority Solutions is your trusted partner. With our expertise in SEO, comprehensive services, and unwavering commitment to boosting your small business. Reach out to Authority Solutions today and let's make your small business shine in local search results. But wait, there's more. Show some love, hit like, subscribe, and bell up for more tips. Thanks for watching. Remember, success is just a click away with Authority Solutions.